Good evening, Nandamo. Nanwamo. All right, lungoyum to. Tu zana, zan time petu. Kan pa petian, naming tang chanung kau se. All right, late lam kau se. Okay, kalam mutai kalungoy Allah, minum kan tamdan. Nanwamo to, kan nwamo to. Petian na cha. Masabika, tu zan ta, mangdingin. Invitation in Petu, CYO, CYONA, Proitu, Upapol, Nanzate para, Kalung Oiti, Masabi Klausim Du. Kay Kamhingsu, Pita Thawng Hmung Kasi, Atulaya, Chin Community of Indiana, CCI, Board Chairman, President, Tuan Lai Tu Kasi. Tuzan Nanhaya, Santa Manghi, Sung Loituk. Karanga araw pitok kalung oitok di ka kalau simdum hasa panhina ka tuni kan kollian sis korami kollian sise CCI lami upapol sise COI lami upapol kan church leader Paul tampi kamutika katangam nanpaya tisimsan kangarunga tampi kalungoy. Today is 4th of July. That's our Independence Day for the United States of America. This day is especially special for us Chin people who escaped discrimination and being underclass in Burma and came to the United States in search of freedom. Today is Freedom Day. May God bless America. Amen. Dunia at Santa, kamang tika, mangnak dinga, CCI, Chin Community of Indiana, mingin Yangsi, tu kacapai ti kan board member pol kasutika anza pin smitu Chin unity mi kha zang faten cha sako ti si. I think you all know what that means. Chin unity of Chin people and uniting all Chin people regardless of our origin, our dialects. No problem. Our dialects, all Chin people, period. I have been privileged to be involved with CCI leadership for the last few years. CCI Dimitru, Indiana, Iumi, Chin Mipunkip, I Tuantlang Mi organization si, Chin Mipun Frang Mua Tua Mi kan si, Hakalam Kantel, Flam Kantel, Matu Kantel, Mora Kantel Tukau. Kantun Sakmitla, Mipi Situ. We do not discriminate. In fact, we are happy to help whoever comes to the Chin Center asking for help. Suronga, tu nianan zau sela, CCI tu. Kwaza kipin zau mi, upat lak tian an ruan mi. Zau tim tak tian ruan mi, organization sitang. Suvek tau tawin, CYO, CYONA, CYO Indiana. Mipi zau tim tak ding ka, nan hatun na sire. Chin unity dimisu kanza pitanga tupi zat ding karwat be. Kan nul kan pa Paul, korama. Batai lamin sese, religious lamin sese, politic lamin sese. Sijung yi kan tuat o tumreraw. kan ong min mi hi malte tu ni tiang kan ong min mi hi kan du zan kan the thelo si simhan sela karwana ka chu chin unity ti mi chu nan ma vek CYOE youth group youth leaders new coming leaders poli ruanak thon education dedication thon social and social needs address and social and human needs address them in kan tua thaya chu unity khara thai ding tikasum si churonga to nan mission statement ka sertika our mission is to promote youth leadership education integration networking and the preservation of the Chin culture and literature tikasi sumisu CYO mission statement si athatuk tin karwat sumi sunga pakhat karhil bi michu preservation of Chin culture tikasi what is culture culture to me too culture is defined by our beliefs and our practice kan ruanak le kan tua mi ni kha culture chang minung tampin yan si tu hi kan culture hi atheng re rao our culture is evolving and that is true because we're more educated we're more worldly so if you look at fashion show when I was a young boy back in Falam we used to have fashion show but we didn't have very stylish fashion we didn't have jackets with Chin clothes now we have all kinds of fashion all kinds of clothes we speak English simdu son mi chu kan culture kha thang bera rao asinan at the core of our culture our belief what is it Chin people believe in respecting elders Chin people believe in respecting each other Chin people believe in God we respect God Chin people believe in helping each other Chin people believe in promoting each other that's what we believe I challenge you today if you have that belief you're Chin the challenge for you is that practice it if you believe in helping your neighbor if you believe in helping someone else providing service we have to practice it if we don't practice it words don't mean anything Suronga, close to niya, kalau fardu bing nisu, kan zum mi, kan zum nak, mi kan bom du nak, mi thon tatron kan du nak, mi rang chat nak kan tua du nak ha, ruak nak long selawin, kut thon kan tron nak thon kan tron pay, chutin kan tua thaya chun, kan Chin unity timika amaten rakrading. If we can serve people rather than being self-serving, Chin unity will be realized. Tu zan sana, zan chan pek, tampi kalungoy, hisan kasol hiding.